Managing Director of Volkswagen Passenger Cars Malaysia.
Selamat pagi. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Friends of Volkswagen, members of the media, our dealer partners, thanks for joining us today. We are unveiling something which is truly significant for Volkswagen Malaysia. Today we are delighted to present to you the all-new Volkswagen Tayron. The name Tayron is actually a very powerful idea. It comes from tiger and iron. So it brings together two different elements. And the tiger stands for confidence, agility and leadership, a symbol of presence and strength. And here in Malaysia, the tiger carries even a deeper meaning. Malaysian tiger, harimau, is an enduring symbol of national pride and courage. Values that are deeply rooted in Malaysia's heritage. And iron stands for strength, durability, and solid engineering. Together with the spirit of the tiger, it reflects a vehicle that is capable and ready for whatever lies in front of us. But ladies and gentlemen, the new Tayron is not only another SUV in our portfolio. It represents progress, it represents confidence in the future. And this brings me to a point which is actually more meaningful. The Tayron is also a reflection of our deep commitment to Malaysia. I'm proud to share that the vehicle is locally assembled in Pekan. And the vehicle, thank you, I'm waiting for the applause. And the vehicle that carries Malaysian craftsmanship and pride. Behind this achievement stands a remarkable team, and who made all this possible. And it's my great pleasure to invite on stage the person leading the outstanding operation, the director of our Volkswagen plant in Pekan, Hayati Othman. Please welcome with me Hayati on stage.
Hi Hayati, it's great to see you here today.
Hi Carmen, thank you for the invitation.
On this special occasion of unveiling the Tayron, it's only fitting that we ask Hayati this question. When did you start preparing the assembly of the Tayron?
Okay, introducing the all-new Tayron has been a very exciting experience for us and also a milestone for us in the pipeline. Whenever we launch a new model, there's a lot of preparation that happens well before the first car actually comes off the production line. We started since August 2025 by working closely with the project team in Wolfsburg, Germany, and also our local supplier to ensure every process met Volkswagen process and also quality standard. This including validating production processes, preparing the assembly line, preparing the jigs, and also preparing the programs. And then also conducting extensive trials and also testing. Just as important, we invested in our people. Our production also and also our quality team underwent a lot of training to familiarize with the new concept and also the new technology inside the Tayron. So building this car actually a team effort. Everyone plays every role and also ensuring that we achieve the SOP. So this is the first model that I would like to introduce built in Malaysia as a bill of material car, or in German we call it Stück Control Fahrzeug. That is actually a car that we have to define the materials, the parts that is actually only for us in Malaysia. And then this is a very great milestone for us and also for the plant people, and it's very cost effective.
Thank you for sharing your insight on production. We have another question. There's a very interesting program in Pekan called the Godfather program. Tell us more about it.
Okay, so we have the Godfather introduced actually in 2024 by the first Touareg launch. Similarly in Germany, I think also in everywhere else in the world, when a baby is born, they have their own pattern onkel or pattern hunter. So this is the Godfather for the baby. So here in Pekanbagan, we adopt this Godfather theme by every great new car. Production needs a little family, a lot of loyalty, and also tender loving care. So while growing, that means the Tayron as a godson and also goddaughter, as a family, everyone has to make sure that precision is the business, quality is our family name, our love for the brand Volkswagen is the fuel that keeps this family actually running. From logistic to assembly to the checkpoint, every bolt, every screw, every detail, it's very important and it's more than just building a car. So it creates a stronger sense of personal responsibility and also teamwork for everyone, not only for production, but from all the floor, across the management, regardless which department you are. And the Godfather actually comes and monitors the son or the daughter from the start until final inspection. By assigning this Godfather to follow every single step, we reinforce the attention to the detail, accountability, and also pride in our final product.
Up next, I would like to invite someone very close to the Volkswagen family, an Olympian, world champion, national sports legend, Volkswagen brand ambassador, and now the Tayron Godfather. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Dato' Azizul Hasni Awang. Hello, it's good to have you here today. I just have one question, $1 million question. How do you like the Tayron?
Oh my god, I like it so much. I think Tayron is the premium design SUV, not just for a family man like me, but also professional people out there who are looking for comfort and well-designed, high technology as well as versatility. So as you guys can see, I had a wonderful experience and great opportunity. Thank you to Renate and also the whole Volkswagen family to give the opportunity for me and also the other two Godfather as well to be part of the Godfather program. And it's amazing to see the whole process from section to section, from checkpoints to checkpoints. And as you can see, the last part where I've got the opportunity to put the emblem of Tayron on the car, it's really, really meaningful. It's like I just got a new baby and then I just named my baby. So it's an amazing experience. And also I got to test drive as well, doing the test on the different conditions. My first ever experience for someone that is outside from the automotive world, sportsman. But I mean, I learned a lot throughout the process, but what I can say that Volkswagen really put a very detailed in every craftsman and also the procedure. And for everyone, Volkswagen Tayron is really suitable for family man, as I said, and also the professional. Thank you.
Thank you, Dato' Azizul. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we have been waiting for is finally here. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. The all-new Volkswagen Tayron. Ladies and gentlemen, I know we in welcoming our product manager, Amiro Zaman Abu Qasim.
Alright, thank you, Carmen. Today is an exciting day for the Volkswagen Malaysia. We are proud to introduce the all-new Volkswagen Tayron. Today, customers expect more from an SUV. They expect more space, more comfort, and more technology. But most importantly, they want a vehicle that simply makes their everyday life easier. That is exactly what Tayron is designed to do. And to suit different lifestyle needs, we are introducing the new two distinct personalities: the Elegance, sophisticated, comfortable, refined, and the R9, sportier, more dynamic, more engaged. Different personalities, but both unmistakably Volkswagen. Before you even driving it, the Tayron makes an impression. It's big, it's large, and it has real presence on the road. The thing that I like about the car is its Volkswagen illuminated logo connected with the LED light bar. One feature, at night you instantly recognize it. For those who prefer sportier looks, the R9 has the exclusive styling with the additional 20-inch alloy wheels. And if you drive on the highway after that, you will really appreciate the IQ.DRIVE HD matrix headlights. And if you drive on the highway after that, they automatically adjust around other vehicles, helping you see further without dazing other drivers. And step inside, this is where the Tayron really stands out. The digital cockpit pro keeps the important information right in front of you. And at the center, a display up to 15-inch, about the size of laptop screen. With the IDA voice assistant, it can help adjust the vehicle setting, navigation, and also the infotainment so that you can focus more on the road. And then there is 3-zone climate control, because let's be honest, there is always someone who say it's too hot or it's too cold, and now everyone can choose their own temperature. Everyone's happy. But my favorite feature, the seat, heated, ventilated, and yes, it comes with the massage. After a long day at work or a long drive to home, you will love this. The Tayron also feature ambient lighting, 30 colors, one day for every day of the month. Because why not? Ladies and gentlemen, life changes every day. Some morning, send the kids to school. Some weekends, balik kampung, and some other days, you're going back to some holiday. The Tayron attached 7 seats when you need them, and more luggage space when you don't. Fold your seats, and you will have up to 1,905 liters of cargo space. Enough for luggage, a baby stroller, bicycle, or even that IKEA shopping spree. Ready for whatever comes next. The Tayron offers 2 different driving experiences. Powered by my technology, the Elegance delivers smooth, refined, and efficient performance, perfect for everyday driving. With an extra 115 PS, the R9 takes it to another level. 265 PS, 400 Nm of torque, and 4 motion in control. And the best part, you can choose how the Tayron drives. Eco, comfort, sports mode, or even individual. Just choose your one and let the Tayron detect. With dynamic change control pro, continuously adjusting the suspension, every journey feels comfortable and in control. Then, safety. But that's what every family is about. Safety isn't only about protecting you when something goes wrong, it's also about helping prevent it. That's why the Tayron comes with the Volkswagen IQ.DRIVE technology. It helps you keep centered in your lane, maintain a safe distance, and also keeps aware on what's happening around you. And when it's time to park assist class takes away much of the stress, especially in those tight shopping mall parking spaces. Ladies and gentlemen, the Tayron has achieved a 5-star Euro NCAP safety rating. Alright, finally, the Tayron is available in 5 medium exterior colors. Orange white, dolphin grey, grenadilla black, and the 2 new colors, oyster silver and my favorite midnight shade blue. Each one designed to complement its premium character and reflect different personalities. Ladies and gentlemen, Tayron Elegance, Tayron Align untuk setiap letak hidup. Thank you so much.
Yes, we are very happy to have the Tayron R-Line for the exclusive preview today, and it will be launched soon. And for the Tayron Elegance, the recommended retail price is 189,890. And of course, I'm more than happy to announce that the first owners will have a celebration package for the 69th birthday of Malaysia. So we will have an early bird offer for the first owners, so proud 69 Tayron owners with a very special package. Thank you very much for joining us